Hello students, today we will do chapter number 3 exercises, multiple choice questions. First one is, it provides an interface between the user applications and the computer's hardware. So the options are utility program, operating system and compiler. Which provide interface between user application and computer hardware? We all know that operating system. Second one, it converts the assembly language program into machine language and vice versa. Options are computer, assembler and interpreter. So here the question is, it converts assembly language program into machine language. Obviously we know that assembler converts assembly language program into machine language. Third one is, it is a presentation software. Which is a presentation software? Options are Excel, Word or a MS PowerPoint. We all know that we present our slides through MS PowerPoint. So it is a presentation software. Fourth one is, it translates each line of the program as it goes through the program. Interpreter, compiler or assembler. Each line of the program, we know that interpreter translates each line of the program, because compiler translates or compile whole program in one go. We all know that. So the answer is interpreter. Here fifth one is, it may allow more than one program to run at the same time. First one is utility program, language processor, operating system. Which allow more than one program to run at the same time? Operating system. Next one is, business application packages are the examples of specialized dash software. Specialized application software. So the answer is application. Then we will do fill in the blanks. Dash is a translator which converts the assembly language program into machine language and vice versa. So, which translate and convert assembly language? We all know that assembler is a translator. Utility programs are the dash that help you to use your computer more efficiently. Utility programs are the program. Compiler translate program written in high level language into machine language and vice versa. The answer is machine language. Dash software is the name given to the program that helps the computer to run more smoothly. So which software? System software, because we all know that system software is a program that help the computer to run more smoothly. तो कंप्यूटर को जो हेल्प करता है बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म करने के लिए, दैट इज अ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. Dash system provide an interface between user application and computer's hardware. Just now we had read which software or which system. Operating system provides an interface between user application and computer hardware. Dash is an example of general purpose software. So we can write here MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. All the three are the right answer of this statement. Next is true and false. State whether the statement is true or false. First one is, antivirus is a good example of utility software. Yes, it is true. General purpose software is not pre-installed on the computer when it is stored. It is false. We had all saw in our computer the general purpose softwares MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint generally stored when we purchase our computer. Generally it is stored in our computer. So this statement is false. Software means the program that are written to run on the hardware. That is true. MS Excel is a spreadsheet program. Yes, MS Excel is a spreadsheet program. A spreadsheet means tabular format. It is true. Tailor-made software is written especially for the user. As we had learned in definition, it is right. So it is true. There are a number of advantages buying an integrated package rather than a separate package. एक साथ एक ही integrated package को buy करना, it is an advantage. Yes, it is true. Now come to match the following. Operating system. Which is the operating system? We had already know that Windows and Linux are operating system. Language processor. C++, C and Pascal are language processor. General purpose software. We all know that MS Word, MS Excel are general purpose software. Utility program. We know that antivirus is a utility program. Specialized software. Specialized software is payroll program. Types of software. We all know that system software and application software. So this is all about the exercises of chapter 3.